Today we're going to be taking a woods tour. So, let's get to it. First, we're going to go this way. But I have a special guest today. This is my friend. No, I don't like showing my face on here because I am a kid. And I don't want to be scammed in my life. So, yeah, that's right. So, no, you're not going to be stuck. We just walked through this. Then whatever. So I know this isn't interesting, but so we can like discover the world and stuff, because we're kids. This is lots of wood. Yes, my phone is at a low percentage, so I'm just gonna make this short nature, video. Actually, let's get out of here real quick.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Okay, we will be back when we are out. Oh crap. Okay, we are out and we are going to show you a little secret to my backyard. Okay, so as you know, this is actually not the woods. Well, it's my backyard. But it's the woods from my backyard. This way. I have a sword right here. It's a stick. Look at that lonely little leaf. Oh god. Okay. So this is a cool little area to explore. Not much to it, but it's really cool. There's my neighbor's house. They have like a 5 or 6 year old, but I don't care. Okay, so now we are exiting the woods and we are going into a different section of the woods in my backyard. Okay, so yeah, this is my backyard. Sweet Carver house. This is a hole in the fence. I don't know why it's there. So we basically, make short and entertaining. That thing just tickled me in the head. Okay. Oh god, I just tripped. Okay, so what we do on this channel, basically, we make videos, like entertaining videos. Like, we're not going to poke any fun, because I heard lots of that last night. Because someone didn't turn off their phone. So, yeah. That's why I stayed up until like 11 o'clock at night last night.
No, I stayed up before you, and I woke you up.
Here's a berry.
What the heck is that?
It's a heart.